Does it seem like all investing guides are written with the wealthy in mind? What if you could use the money you currently have, perhaps even that spare change in your pocket, to begin constructing your future? I'll walk you through the process of investing small sums of money safely, starting today, if you stick with me. A brief but crucial note before we begin. I am not a financial advisor. This is not official financial advice. Rather, it is meant to inspire and educate you. Prior to making any financial decisions, always conduct your own research. It's simply not true that you need a large sum of money to begin investing. The key is to start early and be consistent, not how much you have. Compound interest allows even very small amounts to gradually grow into something substantial when invested on a regular basis. However, safety is the most important rule before we discuss investing. This implies that you ought to have a modest emergency fund on hand. You can leave your investments alone to grow because this is your safety net for life's unforeseen events. So, where can you really invest your money? Option 1 is high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account, or HISA, is the first option. Consider it a savings account with superpowers. Your money grows more quickly just by sitting there because it pays you a lot more interest than a typical bank account. Additionally, your money is FDIC insured, making it safe and secure. This is the ideal location to store money for short-term objectives or your emergency fund. Option 2 is retirement account. A retirement account, also known as an IRA or Roth IRA, is option number 2 for your future self. This is a unique kind of account that offers you significant tax benefits, not an investment in and of itself. Many online brokers allow you to open one with no money. After that, you choose investments within the account and make regular deposits. It's the greatest instrument for accumulating retirement-related long-term wealth. Option 3 is index funds and ETFs. Option 3 is all about using index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for intelligent diversification. These allow you to purchase a small portion of hundreds of companies at once, rather than attempting to choose just one profitable stock. It's similar to purchasing the whole market rather than just one ticket. This is a straightforward, inexpensive method of long-term financial growth that spreads out your risk. You can start with just a few dollars thanks to the fact that many platforms even allow you to purchase fractional shares. Option 4 is micro-investing apps. Option 4 uses micro-investing apps such as Acorns or Stash to automate investing. They invest your spare change after rounding up your regular purchases to the closest dollar. It's an easy, hands-off method to begin forming a habit without giving any thought. Just be advised that most have a small monthly fee that can mount up if you have a very small account balance. Option 5 is Treasury securities. One of the safest options is option 5, which is Treasury bills or T-bills. This is the process of making a short-term loan to the US government. They repay you slightly more than you originally lent them in exchange. Because the US government supports it, it is regarded as being incredibly safe. If you have money that you know you'll need soon and can't risk, this is a good place to put it. Actionable plan. What should you do first then? Avoid feeling overburdened. This is a straightforward plan. Create a small emergency fund first in a high-yield savings account. Next, open a retirement account with a broker that has no minimums, such as a Roth IRA. Next, even if it's only a small amount per month, set up automatic transfers. Lastly, put that cash into a diversified exchange-traded fund, ETF. Starting now and being consistent is the most crucial step. Your future self will appreciate it. And that's how you begin investing, even with a small sum of money. Starting is the most crucial step. For more easy money tips, please subscribe to Monetive and like this video if it was helpful. I would now like to know what is preventing you from investing. Tell me in the comments section below.